No bank. No wire transfer. No 3-day wait. It lands in seconds for pennies in fees. That's cryptocurrency. And in the next 8 minutes, you'll understand exactly what it is, how it actually works, and why it's already changing your life. Hey, welcome back. If you've ever heard people talk about Bitcoin, crypto, or digital money, and felt totally lost, this video is for you. I'm going to explain cryptocurrency in plain English. No confusing math. No tech jargon. Just simple, real answers. By the end, you'll know what crypto actually is, the 3 main types you need to know, and how people are already using it in everyday life. Let's get into it. So what is cryptocurrency, really? Let's strip away all the hype. Normally, when you send money, a bank sits in the middle. You tell your bank to send $100 to your friend. The bank checks your balance, updates its records, and moves the money. You're trusting that one bank to keep an honest record. Cryptocurrency removes that middleman. Instead of one bank keeping the records, thousands of computers around the world keep the same record together. This shared record is called a blockchain. Think of it like a giant notebook that thousands of people each have an identical copy of. Every time someone sends crypto, that transaction gets written into everyone's notebook at the same time. Nobody can secretly change their copy, because it wouldn't match everyone else's. That's the whole idea behind cryptocurrency. It's digital money that doesn't need a bank, a government, or a company to manage it. The network manages itself, and it keeps running whether one computer goes offline or 100 do. Why does this matter to you? 3 reasons. First, it works anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day. No bank holidays, no waiting for business hours. Second, nobody can freeze your account or block a transaction, because there's no single company in charge. And third, every transaction is out in the open. Anyone can check the notebook. That's actually more transparent than most banking systems today. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but is this actually money I can use? Or is it just something people invest in? Great question. And that's exactly where a lot of beginners get confused, because crypto isn't really one thing. It's actually a few very different types of technology that all get lumped under the same word. Let's break those down. There are really 3 main categories of crypto, and once you understand these, the whole space starts to make sense. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, created back in 2009. It was built to do one job: be a safe place to store value, kind of like digital gold. There will only ever be 21 million bitcoins, ever. No one can print more, unlike regular money, which governments can create more of whenever they want. That fixed supply is why people call Bitcoin digital gold. It's designed to hold value over time, not to be spent on your morning coffee. Number 2. Coins like Ethereum, often called altcoins, short for alternative coins. These aren't just money, they're more like computer platforms. Ethereum lets people build apps on top of it, the same way you'd build an app for your phone. These apps can do things like lending money, insuring a flight, or even running a small business, all without a company running the show behind the scenes. This is the more technical side of crypto. Number 3, and this is the one quietly changing everyday life right now: stablecoins. A stablecoin is crypto that's built to always equal $1. Not go up, not go down, just stay at $1. Governments have recently created clear rules for these, and because of that, banks and big companies are now issuing their own. Last year alone, stablecoins moved tens of trillions of dollars around the world, more than a company like PayPal handles. That's because stablecoins are fast and cheap for sending money, without the wild price swings you see with Bitcoin. So to sum it up simply, Bitcoin is for saving. Ethereum-style coins are for building. And stablecoins are for spending and sending. Almost everything else you hear about in crypto is some version of these three ideas. Now here's the part most people miss. Crypto isn't just something traders buy and sell, hoping the price goes up. It's already quietly working in the background of everyday life. Think about someone working abroad who needs to send money home to their family. A bank wire can take days and charge a huge fee. With a stablecoin, that same money can arrive in seconds for almost nothing. That's already happening, right now, for millions of people. Freelancers and remote workers are getting paid in crypto directly by clients in other countries, skipping the slow international banking system completely. Some landlords and businesses are starting to accept stablecoins for rent and everyday payments, because the money settles instantly instead of taking days to clear. Even big banks, the same ones that used to call crypto a scam, are now issuing their own digital coins, because they don't want to get left behind. There's also something called tokenization, where things like real estate or company stock get represented as crypto, so people can own a small piece of something big, like a building, instead of needing hundreds of thousands of dollars up front. Even artificial intelligence is starting to use crypto, because computer programs can send each other tiny payments instantly, without waiting on a human to approve anything. None of this means crypto is perfect. It has real risks, prices can swing, scams exist, and if you lose access to your account, there's no customer service line to call. We'll cover those risks in future videos. But the everyday use of crypto isn't some far-off idea anymore. It's happening in the background of the financial system right now, whether you've noticed it or not. Let's quickly recap. Cryptocurrency is digital money that runs on a shared, public record instead of a single bank. There are three main types. Bitcoin, built for saving value. Coins like Ethereum, built for building apps. And stablecoins, built for everyday spending and sending money. And it's already being used in the real world, for cross-border payments, freelance work, rent, and even owning small pieces of real estate. This isn't some far-off trend. It's happening right now, and it's worth understanding, even if you never plan to invest a single dollar. If this finally made crypto make sense, do me a favor and hit subscribe. This channel is going to break down exactly how crypto fits into everyday life, one simple video at a time. And drop a comment. What part of crypto still confuses you the most? I'll turn the best questions into future videos. See you in the next one. Disclaimer: not financial advice.